Hello, irritable bowel is the most common condition seen by gastroenterologists, and it most commonly manifests with gas, bloating, and constipation. Stay tuned for an easy solution.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
Getting on a daily regimen of probiotic use, adequate water and fiber intake, and adequate exercise are important. This recipe should also help with regularity, and you can easily double or triple the recipe as needed. So we'll start with a 1/4 cup of oats. Okay. 1½ teaspoons or a 1/2 tablespoon of chia seeds. We'll add some applesauce. And a 1/4 cup of prune juice. Okay. And a tip here, if you have diverticular disease, you might want to skip the chia seeds. Okay, you just mix it up. No need to cook or anything else, you just mix it up. And those oats were just the quick cooking oats that you usually use with oatmeal. So there you are. So just stir that up. And then I'm using here the Pampered Chef Silicone prep bowl, and this is the 2-cup size. Okay, and then you just pop on the lid and you can stick this in the fridge. Okay, and it should keep for up to about a week. Okay, and then so once you've mixed the ingredients and it's all ready to go, I recommend that you start with 2 tablespoons at night and follow that with an 8-ounce glass of water, and do that every night for 3 nights. And if that doesn't seem to be effective, then you could increase by a tablespoon every 3 nights until you have regularity. Okay. And then over time you might notice that you need to either go up or down in the amount that you're consuming to maintain that regularity, and that's perfectly normal. That's just part of irritable bowel syndrome. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if you have other recipes or suggestions for helping irritable bowel, predominantly constipation. So that's it for now. To your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit, to your health and wealth.